Hi, I'm Mike, owner of The In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing some unboxings for Record Store Day 2020 drop number 3. This is October 24th, the October 24th drop. This is Miles Davis Double Image. This is essentially Bitches Brew session stuff that came out. They did a CD box set of the complete Miles Davis Bitches Brew sessions. And these are kind of a selection from the sessions, making up a 2 LP set. That is the outside jacket, the front. Actually, this is nice. The inside has that glossy, kind of like that spot gloss. The jazz stuff is always hot for Record Store Day. This will be as well. Really cool, really nice, clean vinyl. Looks perfect. Not a mark on it. Doesn't have any no-fill. Nice and flat. Let's check out disc number 2. So yeah, starting at 1 o'clock Eastern time on Record Store Day. This stuff will be available to purchase on our website at www.theingroove.com. So these are the inner sleeves. There is a download code inside, but yeah, that is it. Killer artwork. I've always been a fan of the artwork of this album. I think it's, yeah, pretty awesome. All right, guys, I'm Mike. Until next time.